If CapCut notifications on your Windows PC are getting distracting, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to turn them off in just a few steps. Whether you want a cleaner workspace, fewer pop-ups, or just more focus while editing, disabling CapCut notifications is a simple fix that only takes a moment. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open CapCut on your Windows PC. Once the app is open, look for the settings option and click on it. This will take you into the main preferences area where you can control different app settings. From there, click the General tab. The General section is where CapCut keeps a lot of its basic options, including notification controls. Now scroll down until you find the option that says Allow CapCut to send you notifications. When you see it, simply untick the box or switch it off, depending on how it appears on your screen. This tells CapCut to stop sending notification pop-ups to your Windows computer. After that, make sure to click Save so your changes are applied properly. Once you save, CapCut notifications should be disabled, and you should notice a much quieter editing experience moving forward. If you ever want to turn notifications back on later, you can always return to the same general settings and re-enable that option. And that's it. You've now learned how to disable CapCut notifications on Windows PC. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more CapCut tips and tricks in the future.